Ah, the sound of jackhammers in the morning. Hit that like button to support the channel. Alright, let's just get going. As many of you already know, I decided to be a crazy person and buy a silver dollar every week. But is it crazy? I guess time will tell. So I finally got out to the LCS yesterday, the local coin shop, and picked up this beauty. I was in the mood for some patina, or some oxidation, or weathering. I just like the variance and the contrast. Well, at least this time I do. There are times I want a shiny, new-looking one, but I don't want to end up stacking a bunch of cleaned coins. So I need to get better at figuring that out. I might need a loop or something. I didn't plan to be a coin collector. I guess I'm like a coin collector now. I don't know. I want the cheapest one I can get with the most detail, not cleaned. Stan Lee is in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Thermos, codename Stan Lee, was officially launched September 28, 2023. If you're new, you may be saying to yourself right now, what is this? How did I miss this? I used to stop at coffee shops or drive-thrus throughout the day 2, sometimes even 3 times, because I'm very busy and I generally lack zeal. Since the launch of the Stan Lee initiative, I've been filling my thermos with a pot of premium coffee in the morning and enjoying hot, seemingly fresh coffee all throughout the day, and avoiding stopping off and waiting in line. So instead of giving the money to the drive-thrus, I merely put $8 in a plastic bag in my console instead. Not only has the thermos paid me back with this money, the $47.50 I paid for it, but as of today, it has accumulated $192. And it's been buying the coffee at the grocery store, that is. By the way, if you're having money issues or stacking issues, I suggest you get acquainted with the grocery store, if you're not already. Many people, especially in cities, stop off at restaurants and gas stations for food and drink throughout the day. Not only does this cost you extra thousands and thousands of dollars a year, think about that and what else you could use that money for, but it also likely takes a terrible toll on your health. And you may think that it's convenient and you're saving time, but consider not waiting in lines and the extra driving around. Also, when you cook at home, do you use vegetable oil or soybean oil? Something to consider is, when you go to restaurants, that's what you're getting. That's how they make money, serving you crap that you would never make for yourself and put in your body. Don't be shy, build on the conversation in the comments below, and let me know what you think. I'm on that second roll. Each one of these rolls holds 22 actually. As time flies, so shall too the growth of my stack. I appreciate you joining me for my morning thoughts. The decision to be healthy and wealthy is a decision we have to make every day. It's easy to fall off and become a dirty peasant. If you're still here, subscribe for more. This thousandaire has to go to work. See you tomorrow. And a thumbnail. Yeah, the enemy revealed. That sounds good.